Okie dokie, I got one more little add-on to servicing these Mikunis, to adjusting the Mikunis, to tuning them. The jet needle has a little E-ring on it, and that can be moved up and down to lean or richen up or lean out the mixture. They're very tiny. When I was in the automotive trade, we used to call them Jesus clips because as a parts man, I'd be standing behind the counter and I inevitably would hear a mechanic say, "Jesus Christ, there goes another one." So then he'd have to come up and we'd dig through the parts bin and find another E-ring. Always helps to have a few extras of these when you're out at a meet in the field or something, because they do jump off and you can't find them. You know, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. But there's an easy way of taking them off. I've seen a lot of guys use a pair of needle nose pliers to try to handle them and everything, and take them off and put them on and everything. And you younger guys won't understand this, but this is an optivisor, and when you get old, you kind of need something like this to see this small stuff. But to take these off, I made this this clip up for putting the springs on, for retaining the springs when you're changing the settings on this. And it's kind of a dual purpose thing. It not only holds the spring on, retains the spring, but there's some small grooves in here. The clip is a 64th of an inch, about 13 thousandths, and thick. The groove is 15 thousandths. So it kind of just sits right in there real nice. To take it off, it's real easy just to put the clip down like this and give it a little push, and that pops the E-ring off. And then to get it back on, Jesus Christ, there goes another one. Okay, to put them back on, we can put the clip in there, pick out our mixture we're adjusting to, and just give it a little push and it's back on. And there's the adjustment. That's very simple. All simple stuff you can do with hand tools and a saw and a file. And you can make up a little clip like this, which really helps you when you're working on the Mikunis, and a Dremel with a little saw on it. You can put a groove in here to kind of hold the little clip. So that's about it. I'm going to go in and finish my coffee now.